Hi, my name's Tim. I'm from Newcastle upon Tyne, and I'm here to make a drink with Red Leg Spiced Rum. So it's a very sweet spiced rum with big vanilla notes and a little bit of fiery ginger in there as well. So it seems a shame not to make a tiki drink, but a good tiki drink, not an overly sweet one. So it's a twist on a drink called a Hummingbird, which is from the 1970s, Kuala Lumpur, I believe, possibly. So we're going to call it a Hummingbird, which is a bird native to Jamaica, which is where the rum is inspired by. So to begin with, we use 50 ml of Red Leg and 15 ml of Campari. $15 ml of lime juice, 5 ml of sugar syrup, spill a little bit as well, and then some pineapple juice. So it's a very simple drink. It is juice heavy. It's a drink that'll appeal to your average customer. However, it is a balanced drink at the same time. And then we shake. So we have a rocks glass. It's going to be over cubed ice. Two straws garnished with a mint sprig and an orange wedge. And that's the Hummingbird. Enjoy.